You take one bite?
Wait, Chris, I want a bite of yours too.
Yeah, get off of my video. This. Like this, right, Mara?
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. So got a quarter pounder.
And I ate my fries, so I put this, the chips.
Yeah, can you get some?
And I already drank this already. So.
Can I try yours? I guess that's fine. Take the extra stuff, I guess.
What?
Because extra put
I hate
meat, extra
onions.
stuffed burgers, right? You can put french fries in the burger. But people do that. This food is busting. Can I have some to you, Sean? Fries or burger.
Look.
Mom took some of my burger. Oh, my back. I can't have all of it? No.
What do you rate it on Jerry? Oh, so to the last time that you took the onions out?
Yep.
4.
You don't like them? Tell them. Be like, oh, I took the onions out.
I took the onions out because I don't like them.
I say, I don't like noodles. I said the #1 black thing.
Really?
Yes. Delicious. Me.
Me?
Me, Papa. Okay. No. But like, it was good, huh? You want to try it, Mara?
Check, you should, it's the same thing as the quarter pounder and it's less money. It's just different fries.
You know how the quarter pounder tastes, right?
Bro, look at it.
It kind of looks the same. It's like water.
It is, and it's bigger.
Mayo, that's cheese.
And it's $7, baby. That's what I got with Dylan. That's why I was telling you how to go to Burger King.
No, that does not taste the same.
It don't taste the same, but it's a burger. But you stop it. You had it before.
Okay, it kind of tastes good.
Exactly.
The cheese is kind of different. It's a little different. Ooh.
Well, yeah, that's why I got Burger King. Cause like,
No, the Burger King chicken sandwich is bust.
It bust more than I thought. Last time, remember the last time we had the chicken sandwich and it was bad. Yeah, it tastes like a grilled chicken, not like a chicken like sandwich.
Like this.
Tell them what it is.
You got what's in it. You got there's cheese. It's a double.
Tell them what it's called.
Oh my god.
So you
Flies.
like today?
Today I'm eating a bacon burger pounder. It got bacon, cheese, and it tastes really good.
What's my fries?
Yeah.
No, I want some.
That's one thing I don't like about Burger King fries. They have no
Actually,
salt.
no, I don't
This-
like it. Yeah,
They taste good when they're
good.
hot, but it's not hot.
It's really, really good.
You know, I some fries.
Bye, kids.
It's really good.
You ate too fast.
She was busting.
No, she's gonna be hungry later. Let me get a bite, man.
Don't do that.
Today, tomorrow, Monday.
Oh, not much. Not much. I'm gonna be fat.
I get a bite. Mara.
Don't drag it though.
Oh yeah, my
A
mom.
bit of corn.
Before Mari, if you
I'm
didn't
sorry.
see in the back before we came, my mom bought bread and burgers and stuff.
I love pickles.
Like this.
No.
Dip that thing in there.
Like this. You can see it, right? You can see it. You can see how it
Wait,
looks.
she eats butter.
Very
right?
good.
Butter.
Thanks and don't fry, bro. This shit
Dip that thing in there.
bust.
It's very, very good.
When she ate it, it sounded
Butter,
moist.
ragu. The meat flap.
Y'all went
Put it down in your hand.
Y'all went inside McDonald's with her hair like that.
Oh.
That shit works.
I took it out. I took it out.
I want to bite.
Dylan.
I know.
Dylan.
What piece you?
You want to burger later. You're suspicious. So.
You guys have fries on the floor.
Now, what is that called though?
Oh, yeah,
The
there's a
burger
bug
that
in
we ate.
This?
Yeah.
It's a quarter pounder.
Quarter pounder from Burger King.
Mara, he's going to eat.
The quarter pounder from here is bigger than the.
We're going to eat burgers later.
This is. It looks like it's real meat.
Because
McDonald's,
McDonald's,
as soon as you.
they separate the
McDonald's-
quarter in half. They
No.
put one burger and then they
No,
put
the thing
another.
is, as soon the McDonald's bun. If you ever see like YouTube, if you go on YouTube or TikTok, you see McDonald's workers
something?
when they cooking the burger. As soon as it's done, it looks smaller.
you have fries. I can see it
The
through the
burger's
window.
done cooking, it looks smaller. So it's basically
It's frozen meat.
exactly.
It's a meat in no bite, bro.
Got you.
That should look like it was good. Hold on.
Mara, try it with the sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, Mara, I'm telling you, that thing is good.
This?
No, the sweet and sour sauce with that.
I'm
bro,
scared.
So
Yo,
good.
bum, bum, bum.
And then the honey mustard is like, okay.
It's so good.
Okay, shit. Bit more, I'm gonna do
I'm gonna
it.
try Mara.
That sauce, Prince.
Mara.
Prince, that sauce.
Ready? Ready?
You want to try with
Honey
this?
mustard.
It's a sandwich. I don't want to eat
Get
that.
off
I
of my
don't like stuff with my hamburgers. I like the
Prince
plain.
is hey. That's sauce. I'm doing a video.
Go ahead, Andre. Sorry. My bad.
Since I ate all my fries, I put chips in it. These chips.
What is that? Fries?
No, fuck. What kind of chips are those?
Oh, there's not that.
Spicy chips.
They smell good as hell.
This chips I put. Look how the texture is. It's so crunchy.
Your last bite.
Mmm.
Let me leave in Jerry.
Look, crunchy. Mmm.
Mara, here.
Very
That will
crunchy.
go better. Eat it. Take that one. It has more. Take what?
I already tried the sweet and sour.
It'll go better. You don't want it? Just kind of water it out. Water.
Very
In the
crunchy.
car, I was trying to.
Lift it up now. I don't want you to lift it up without it.
I won't.
No, lift up this.
Who's thinking that?
No.
You get shit. Oh, hell no.
Okay, now I'm done.